Y'all are not ready for what I got for you today. You're just not ready.
Glow so bright, fresh and clean. I want to.
Beautiful babes, go ahead and subscribe and get ready for all of the goodness I got for you today. I said today. We're doing a 5-in-1 mask plus scrub to lighten, tighten, smooth, and moisturize your skin. Starting out with some jasmine rice, because guess what? Jasmine rice is one of my best ingredients. It contains amino acids, vitamin E, B3, B5, minerals, ferulic acid, and allantoin. It has a high concentration of nutrients, and for this reason, it is used also in cosmetics. It's full of nutrients and can be easily useful for your skin. Then we're going to go into a wonderful banana. Just take half ripe banana full of antioxidants, minerals, vitamins A and C. It reduces inflammation such as acne and eczema and helps to hydrate the skin. We're just going to slice it up just a little bit, slice and dice, honey. I'm going to check on my rice just to make sure it doesn't get too overcooked. I don't need it overcooked because we're going to be using it as part of the scrub portion of this mask. So scooping in the banana into the bowl, we're just going to take it, mash it up a little bit, and it's nice and ripe. It's nice and ripe. And then we're going to use our raw honey, just a half teaspoon of raw honey. And did I tell you a half cup of the jasmine rice? A half teaspoon of the raw honey, which is wonderful, wonderful. It is a natural antibacterial, and for this reason, it's great for acne treatment and prevention, and it's also moisturizing and soothing. We're going to take the honey, we're going to take the banana and the rice, mix it all up good and well. And since I'm just a little bit lazy today, I got to pull out that magic bullet to go ahead and mix it some more. It's going to blend it up good. But before I do that, let me go ahead and drop in some vitamin A, 3 vitamin A capsule, and this is what it's going to do. You know, it beautifies the skin. It's great for anti-aging. It's going to help reveal those new skin cells underneath them old ones. Just shed it away. And honey, this is awesome. Mix this up, blend it up, and that's what you get right there. I'm talking about magic. Magic. It's time to apply this mask, y'all. Let's get to it. On a clean face, put this mask all over. Be generous. Don't be afraid of it. Honey, this is what it's going to do for your skin. It's all about this 5-in-1 mask. It's going to tighten the skin and pores. It's going to treat sun-damaged skin, help your skin against acne and eczema, smooth the wrinkles and fine lines, and also moisturize your skin. You can't beat that. You can't beat that. And I'm sparing no pains with this wonderful mask. I'm putting it all over. And yes, it's a little lumpy, but I'm going to show you what you're going to do with that in just a moment. Don't worry about the lumps. This is how it's supposed to be. It's also best to go ahead and steam your face to open the pores so the goodness can sink in. We're going to leave it on for a few minutes. About 10 is fine. It's not going to dry all the way in 10 because it's rather thick. And when you get ready to remove it, after about 10 minutes, this is where the scrub portion comes in at, honey. You're going to scrub it. You're going to scrub in, and you'll feel the little rice granules there. They're not abrasive or anything, so this is great for even the gentlest of skin, sensitive skin. So just take it and massage it in, and this will also help you to remove that residue from there. Just take a paper towel and wipe your hands off. And then I hopped in the shower, but you can just rinse your face off with lukewarm water. There you go. See, didn't I tell you? You wasn't going to be ready for all of that goodness that's in that power-packed mask and scrub all in one. Absolutely. Y'all, your girl Sweet Angel bringing it to you like no other right here at Beauty by Sweet Angel. I am so glad you're hanging out with me. Please, please, please make sure you stay in the know. Now make sure, listen, subscribe. Make sure you hit the post notification bell. That way you'll get a notification the next time I got a good one for you. And baby, I am bringing you the beauty bangers back to back, so stay locked right here. And beautiful babes, do not keep me a secret. Heck, you're glowing it up. You're looking great. You're feeling great. And you know it's because of all the fun you've been having over here. So make sure you don't keep me a secret. Let mom and them know too, okay? So please share me with your world. I'll see you on the next one, beautiful babes. Bye.